In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a file from a zip folder. So let's open this zip file which I have right here, and inside it I have 3 files. And your question is, what if you want to delete a specific file? What if you want to delete this Monday Word document? Well, I'll show you how to do that. For this, I will right click on the zip folder and now select extract all. Select where you want to extract them. I have some empty space on my desktop, so I'll select desktop. You can extract it wherever you want. Now I'll press on extract. Alright, I can delete now this zip folder because I don't need it anymore. Great, and now I have all these files on my desktop. Let's delete now the Monday Word document. Okay, and now let's zip again by the rest of the files. Make sure you will select all of them. Okay, now right click on one of the files and you will find here compress zip file, and now you can name it as you want, document.zip or whatever name you want to give it after that .zip. Alright, so this is how to delete a file from a zip folder. I hope this helped you out and thanks a lot for watching.